Have you got a picture together already?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Now he's trying to break in the coconut and eating. Normally, it is that the elephant, when eating the coconut, they use her food to stepping on. But for the baby boy, the food of him is getting a bit small. When he's taking a break with the coconut is always keep moving all the time. Yeah. So the boy, he's having a cut. Yeah. And also the he getting a cut is to getting inside. Yeah, to try to crack into the coconut and also easy to break it. Oh.
Jelly?
One more now. Yeah. Keep walking.
Did you still think you're going to play on the class?
Would you like to having one? I can take a picture for you.
Yeah.
And also come to standing for the boy together, please. Yeah. Standing close together, please. Okay. Okay. Walking close up together. Okay. Looking at the camera, please. 1, 2, 3. Okay. One more time, please. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, good. Now he can eating now.
Oh.
Thank you. Is it okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's it, cat.